Somebody want to do the time after George so I can go get Ronan?
Oh, yeah. It was a clean run. It might have been long, but...
Not that much.
But he didn't go through the wrong. No, he didn't. He was fine. I had to go back and read the cones.
Well, what happened to me a little bit.
Okay. This way. Right. Go on. This way.
It's hard to tell because.
This way. Come on. Let's go.
Yeah.
Go on. Go, go, go.
Yay! Okay, I forgot to start it. I pushed the wrong button. He was so fast he did it in 14 seconds.
Come on. There's a countdown clock. Should we give this to Max?
Okay,
You're probably full.
here's the thing. This is the start-stop button. That's
You mean
the
the one
clear
that says
button. This
start,
one that says start-stop. Yeah. That's not the start. Are you gonna? No, I have to go. With Ronan. I have to go on.
Ronan. Oh, yeah.